Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. So I have been off here for a minute, took a visit out of state, and I went to visit my mom in California. But anyway, I'm back and I want to talk to you guys about a few new purchases that I added to my collection. So if this is your first time here, I am a sophisticated lady, and welcome. If this is not your first time here, then welcome back. So today I wanted to talk to you about a couple new fragrances that I got, and the first one would be Tom Ford Black Orchid. So I was out in California, and of course, since I was home, I had to go and visit all of my old shopping places. So I ended up getting this one. Now this one smells really good. It's a little darker than I thought it would be, but I do love it, and I heard a lot about it. It's unisex, so actually to me, when I smell it like this, it smells kind of masculine, but when I spray it after the first initial burst of scents, it smells masculine, like I said, but then it turns into the florals, and it turns into a sophisticated, dark, warm, creamy, sensual fragrance. I love it. The notes here are well, it just says it's rich and dark accords, spicy. So it's black orchids, it has a little patchouli, has a little incense, but it's good. And of course, ooh, it smells good. Now it reminds me of my visit to California. I was able to get refreshed. You guys know I moved to another state. It's really boring. It's no beach, no water. But I feel refreshed and good since I went out there and stayed, took care of a little business. So the performance is excellent. I give it a 5 out of 5. The longevity, the presentation, I said the bottle is already, she's super cute. It's dark, super cute. We'll keep her. She made the collection. That is a beautiful presentation. Got the little tie on it. So yeah, that is Tom Ford Black Orchid. So my next fragrance that I bought would be Lancome Santal Kardamon. So this is their newest fragrance. And it threw me off with the white top, but it's magnetic. I was like, I know they didn't try to give me no white top. You know I need the gold top. But it's all good. I like it. It is great. So they got the little florals on there and all that good kind of stuff. So I want to give you the notes of the Santal Kardamon. So the notes are, it just has sandalwood. So y'all know how I feel about sandalwood. Sandalwood. So it has two types of sandalwood. Sandalwood distillate. I guess that's where they distill it, and then take all the essence off of it. And then it has sandalwood essence in it. And it has cardamom. And cardamom is a greenish type of herbal scent. I'm outside. A green type of herbal scent. I would prefer a little less cardamom, a little more sandalwood, because I love sandalwood. But it's a nice fragrance, and I have been spraying her. So the presentation shows by Maison that they do the presentation based on the fragrance. So this one has leaves on it, and the Roses Berberins bottle has roses engraved in it. So the gold in the glass is real pretty, and the juice looks so inviting and delicious. She look delicious. So let me give it a spray. I'm gonna spray it on my other arm. I'm just going to spray one spray because she a little pricey. She was a little pricey. But it's all good. I think I used Afterpay. So initially it's like super strong and I just smell like cardamom. I don't really smell sandalwood initially. But after it calms down, then it gets turned into sandalwood. Yes, yes. I give this presentation a 5 out of 5. I give the performance a 4 out of 5 for the price. I think it should last me about 12 hours. Okay, forget about 4. I need to last 12 hours. But she lasts a few less than that. But I just go and spray some more. You know, another dose of it. It never hurts. The projection is good. I think that people will be able to smell you all about. I don't know. I want to wear this in the summer. I don't really worry about overspraying and smelling too strong in the summer with some fragrances. Now with the Tom Ford, I wouldn't wear that in the summer. I could tell that that's going to be strong. But I did wear it while I was out there because I was trying to get used to it. And it was so nice to me. It's really sophisticated. This is sophisticated also. I would wear this, I would say, out to, not to brunch, maybe to church. Maybe to church or something like if you went to galas, some type of gala, you know, where you wear your beautiful dress, which I don't go to galas, but I should start going to galas. Yeah, so that is the second one. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about my nails. So I did go to the nail salon. You know, I'm not feeling them to get my last idea or learn how to do gel nails. So I'm going to post a video about how to do your gel nails. I bought the nail polish, the bottom, the foundation, and the top coat. I bought the little things that you snap on there to take off the previous gel, and I also bought the machine where you can put your nails, your hands in there, and you can also put your feet in there. So I will be doing my own thing. Top coat. Okay, y'all be patient. I normally do this. It's a different color. And last but not least, this is the machine. For your feet and for your hands. So I will be doing my own. So this is the top coat and the base coat. And you have to put the base coat on first. And I think you put on your polish, like 2 coats, and then you put the top coat on. And my first coat I'm going to choose, because this is gel nail. Gel nail. So it's going to get old. And I'm going to go with, what is this called? Yep. Got it.
You love the way she smells. She walks and talks so polite.